Big mean green machine we've got here for you. 1950 Chevy Deluxe truck. It's got maybe 50 miles on a complete body off the frame, total restoration, air condition, overdrive, all sorts of good stuff. Hey, I'm Jay Grams here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com to get pricing, specs, pictures on this one and a few hundred other collector vehicles. They're all for sale. On our website, you'll find plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people here that can help you answer questions, get your dream car in your driveway. We have financing. We can ship them anywhere in the world. So volocars.com, make sure you visit that. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're posting a few videos a day. That's the best way to see them first. So let's take this one for a spin. Right out of Oklahoma. The guy who built it, I bought other cars from him in the past. He's known for doing 55 to 57 Chevys. He did this truck. It's, again, body off the frame and new. When I say 50 miles on it, I don't even know if there's 20 miles on it, to be honest with you. So it's painted a beautiful bright metallic green. Staggered wheels, 20-inch in back, 18s in front, new tires. Inside the box has color-keyed chip guard with the wood floor. Any of the outside chrome is new, the bumpers, the tail lights. All the glass is new except for the corners. This is part of the Deluxe when it has the 5 windows. It has step plates on the running boards. So it's a beautiful truck. Even inside's all new, all reupholstered. Has the 3-point retractable seat belt. Beautiful gauges, a nice tilt column, polished wood wheel, stereo system, has a backup camera, seat belts, very nice inside. It's a 700 R4 overdrive trans, 350 motor. It's got an aluminum radiator almost as tall as I am, manual disc brakes. It's got headers, aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb, a lot of chrome parts, electric fan. I mentioned air conditioning. It has power steering, tubular control arms. The Deluxe also has a chrome grille up front. It has custom tri-bar headlights. And it does include instructions, which is nice. He's labeled a couple of the switches and how to operate the air conditioning. I've got a few more specs here. I'll read them off to you real quick. You can always go to our website to get all the specs. It has a 75 Nova subframe up front. 373 posi rear end is in the back. I told you about the glass, adjustable control arms, backup camera, CD stereo. It's got a 268 cam, a Dolphin gauges, new shocks. And then there's a lot of instructions here on how to reset the odometer, how to do everything. That's all handy to have. So you're getting a good restoration on a beautiful looking truck. Has air. A lot of people use these trucks. You put your business name on it, it becomes a complete write-off. I forgot to start it. Why don't we do that for you? Sounds nice. You can hear that cam. Got nice sounding exhaust. That sounds like a hot rod. What I was saying though, this is air conditioned, it's power steering. Use it, drive it. You got chip guard in the back. You can, I wouldn't haul gravel with it, but you can put things in the back of this truck. Put your name and your business on the door, it's an instant write-off. There's pictures underneath the truck on our website. So visit volocars.com, check it out, let us know what questions you have, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you very much for watching.